Hello and welcome to Oracle Database Video Tutorials. I'm Ahmed, and in this video we'll see how to export a table data to Microsoft Excel in SQL Developer. Open HR connection. Now open Tables connection, Tables node. We'll export data from Employees table. Right-click on Employees table. Click on Export from Context menu. A window is opened. Open the Format Select list here and choose Excel 2003 plus XLS. Provide a path for the exported file. We'll save it to desktop. Now click on Next. Oops, something went wrong. Seems we must not export DDL. We'll uncheck this option. It won't be necessary anyway. Now click Next. Click Next again. Now click Finish. And we can see that all the table of employees, all the data of employees table is exported into this file. That's it for now. Bye.